Zoology. Zoology is that branch of biology which deals with the study of animals. 2. Botany. Botany is that branch of biology which deals with the study of plants. 3. Microbiology. It is the branch of biology which deals with the study of microorganisms such as viruses, bacteria, etc. 4. Morphology. It deals with the shape and structure of living organisms. V. Histology. It is the microscopic study of tissues of plants and animals. 6. Cytology. It deals with the structure of cell and organelles present inside the cell. 7. Physiology. It deals with the study of functions of different parts of plants and animals. 8. Ecology. It is the science of ecosystem and explains the relationship between organisms and their environment. 9. Taxonomy. It deals with the naming and classification of organisms. X. Genetics. It deals with the study of heredity and variations. 11. Biotechnology. It deals with the application of biological processes. 12. Hematology. Study of blood and its constituent cells. 13. Geology. Study of features and properties of Earth and its constituents rocks.